examine this wig. This wig is an Outre lace front, Kelia, Kelia wig, and it's 32 inches. She comes in available colors 1B, 2, 4, DR 27, DR 30, DR 425, DR deep green, DR silver gray, DR rose gold, and DR 613, which I have right here, which is DR 613. This is from Freetress Wigs, and I'm telling you that this wig is fire. Now, it did come with lace in the front, but what I did was just cut the lace off of the front, and this is fresh out of the packaging. I didn't do anything. I just showed you what I did to her. That was it. She has minimal shedding, and she is really, really long. I love this wig for the length. I really love her for the length. She is like really sexy, and she's like Friday, Saturday night out wig. If you want to feel like a diva, if you want to basically have your 613 without all 613 and just have some dark roots, I think for our color it really would be really nice. I mean, we can rock a 613 but in our melanin color, but I think that if it's like all blonde, it would kind of like be a little too much. In my opinion, I think it would be too much. But if you was to tone it down, if it was human, you could be able to tone it down some, then you could. But I'm telling you, if you look at this, this is really, really light, really light. So I really like the shade that's on here with the dark roots. I thought that it was really nice. Far as the softness is really nice. I haven't had any matting or anything to this wig. She is fire, y'all. She is fire. So I don't want to take long on her because I have another wig review that I'm going to add in here. And she's really long. She comes all the way down to your behind. So yes, she is like really gorgeous. So this is from Freetress Wigs, and it is the Kelia, Kelia, 32 inches, and it's in 613. This is on the cue card. They have the lace front care guide, the step-by-step how to apply your wig and things like that. She's curl and iron safe up to 400 degrees. So I will put everything you need in the description bar for her if you want to get your hands on her. I think that she is really put together nicely. She is really soft, really bouncy, really, really nice. You can put baby hairs down if you want to. You can pluck more, or you can even like kind of like take a curling iron or something and kind of like flatten her a little bit more. But she is really cute. So this is my review on the Freetress lace front. It's by Outre, guys, by Outre, and she's 32 inches. I think that she is just so nice. Look, yes. Okay, so the next wig for Freetress Wigs is the Freetress Equal baby hair lace front wig, and she is in, what's her name? It's called, the style is called Baby Hair 102. That's the name right there. So she looks like this. She comes with a lot of packaging. Nice baby hair, netting. Oh, she is super bad. Oh my goodness. This looks like a virgin hair dupe to me. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so bouncy. And you get the baby hairs right there in the front. The lacing, I think the lacing is like bomb on here. She looks like actually virgin hair. So you get, I'm sorry if you hear anything in the back, y'all, because they are cutting grass. Like I told you, I'm always doing a video when they're cutting grass. It's a comb right here in the front and temple area. We have one in the side, and that's it. Oh, okay. They put the little freshening packets in here. But this is all of the lace that you get. Okay, so it is 5-inch deep part baby hair lace center part, ear to ear. So that's what's up. Then we have the specs on the back. Give life to your baby hair, lay them and swoop them your way. So I'm gonna go and try her on. I'm gonna cut the lace. Oh, she is nice. I don't know how many inches she is, but I'll find out. But she is like really bouncy. Look at her. Okay, so I'm gonna try her on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this wig. Oh my goodness, she is just, oh honey, I'm in love. I am so in love with her. This wig is fire, honey. This is really nice. So this is the Freetress equal baby hair lace front wig, and the style is baby hair 102, and the color is in a number 1. So they come in available colors 1, 1B, 2, 4, OT 27, OT 30, OT 530. And I'm gonna tell you, she has 5 inches of deep part lace, which is from here to here. And I didn't put any foundation in it or anything because I like the natural look that she had right here. Let me see if I can move closer. If you can see, the natural color of the scalp is beautiful. You know, it looks like it's kind of late, kind of bleached inside of the lace, y'all. I don't know how that's done, but it looks like it's kind of bleached. It's beautiful. But this is like more of the top. It feels like somewhat yaki on the top. If you can see, it's a little yaki like on the top, and actually all around, but it looks like virgin hair. I will rock this hair all week, honey. This hair is like really nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so far as the shedding, as I was cutting the lace and as I was doing everything, of course I had some shedding. I just got some more shedding. So let me run my hands through her to see what I'm gonna get. Okay, as I'm running, actually all gray hair just came out. How is that? But as I'm running my hands through her, yes, I am getting some shedding, but I'm thinking that's because I cut the lace. Okay, I'm not getting anything now. Just one. Okay, she is like really bouncy, y'all. You see her? She is so bouncy. She is so nice. This is from Freetress Wigs as well. I thought that she was well put together. The reviews was like bomb on her. They were like so bomb. So I was like, you know what? Let me try her out for myself to see. Oh, I'll make sure I don't have nothing. To see how she is. And I'm gonna tell you, I like her. I don't like her. I love her. I think she is like really fire. And yes, I would wear her, honey. This is like a wig you can wear every day. To me, I would wear a wig like this every day. I would not have to worry about the curls. The curls are popping. They are just so popping. I just cut the lace off, y'all. And y'all see I put some little baby hairs down because she does come with baby hair. I did not cut any baby hair. She comes with baby hair. So I just went on and cut the lace out. And this is what I have, honey. So yes, she is baby hair 102. And that's her name, guys. I don't see anything about curling iron. Safe. I know she is a lace central part, which is 5 inch deep. She's ear to ear lace, and it says the most realistic baby hair, blends flawless to hide lace. Yes, it does. Natural thin baby hair for easy styling. Gel style and go. Protects your edges. I don't see, and then of course I don't have my glasses on. I don't see where it say, oh, it's micro knotting, guys. Y'all know I ventilate lace closures and stuff, so that's how you got the lace looking like it was already bleached, because it's micro knotting. It's not like it's ventilating, but it's really teeny. So that's the reason why it looks like it. She is beautiful. Look at her. And she's from Freetress, y'all. Freetress be having some nice ass wigs. I'm telling you, they do. Oh my goodness, honey. Yes, this is an everyday wig for me. And it don't seem like it will be too hot. She's really light, and she is big head friendly. My head is fairly small. I think I'm like a 22 inch or something like that. But she is like, yes, honey. Okay, so this is my review on her. And I will put down the link to where you can purchase her from. I'm telling you, y'all, this is one that, yes, I will rock this wig, okay, because the color, and because now the other one I just tried on the Kelia 32 inches. She's nice too, but she's not an everyday wig. I'm not gonna walk around with blonde wig on every day, all day, unless I'm going somewhere. But other than that, yes, I will rock this one every day. Every day. She is bomb. Okay, guys, so that is my review on the Freetress wigs. This is the last wigs. The other one I did was the peekaboo one last week. So these are the last two that I reviewed from Freetress wigs. I didn't think I wanted you guys to prolong the video, prolong it out. Just get these Freetress wigs out. Let y'all know what they have. That way you can purchase them. that's it. So I have other wig reviews that is coming up, so please stay tuned for them. I've been working, so that's the reason why I haven't been posting like I used to post. But of course I'm a weekend. I try weekly, so that's good. I'm not gonna be gone a month or anything like that. So guys, get your hands on Freetress.com and check out their wigs. They have a vast variety of wigs that you can choose from: short, long, curly, straight, whatever you want, kinky, curly. Like this look like Brazilian virgin hair. So you can get your hands on a variety of wigs that they have, and they are so dirt cheap. Now, like I told you before, I got these wigs from them. They were not even, these three was not even over $100. So y'all, don't sleep on Freetress wigs. Okay, so you know, like your girl J Baby always says, she says be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off.